most famous, unique house in all of Denver, and that's going to be the Molly Brown house. This is located in Denver's historic Capitol Hill neighborhood, and it's located at 1340 Pennsylvania Street. If you're not familiar with who Molly Brown is, check out the movie Titanic with Leonardo DiCaprio. I'm sure everybody watching this has seen it at one time or another. She was one of the most famous characters in the movie and was just known as an incredible philanthropist and one of the only survivors off of the old Titanic disaster way back in the day. This Queen Anne style residence was actually home to Molly Brown, but since then it has turned itself into a museum and just a historical building that gets a ton of tourists and visitors just to see all of the cool history and just learn more about the remarkable life of Molly Brown. In addition to learning all about Molly Brown's life and all of the activism that she was involved in, this is also a really cool tour to do just because of how unique this Victorian style home is and just how perfectly maintained and really preserved it is here over 100 years later. One other really cool fact about this Molly Brown house is back in the 1970s, it was actually almost completely demolished, but luckily the Denver Historical Society was able to get it saved and now had the commitment of preserving it forever here in Denver, Colorado. Next time you're in downtown Denver, definitely take a walk over and check it out. It's in a really centralized location in walking distance to Cheeseman Park, Civic Center Park, and even the Colorado State Capitol. Definitely take a look next time you're in town and let me know what you think.